This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Nancy Badord. Meticulous home. This 3-bedroom 1.5-bath home features open kitchen dining living room floor plan with sliding glass doors leading to large deck off the dining area, plus master suite featuring half bath with sliding glass doors leading to a second deck. The full bath is in the process of being remodeled. Appliances conveying with the home include a new gas range that has never been used, refrigerator a few years old, plus washer and dryer. Home is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.